This is another video on how you can watch YouTube videos without ads. I have made one video before using another method, and in this video I'll be showing you another method. So, for example, if you look at this video, you have to watch ads. We have one of two.
Try for 30 days without risk. Join more than 4 million people going online.
So you will say that I have to watch the ads before I can watch the video. And there's probability that as you continue watching your video, they will still bring another ad for you. So use this trick to watch YouTube video without ads. Come to your browser, the URL. We have YouTube, www.youtube.com. Just come to where we have this T and put an hyphen in front of T. Put an hyphen like this. Press enter. It is still loading.
This month, I turned 40 years old. And let me tell you.
Now you can watch your YouTube video without ads.